In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite stuck on checking for updates. Now this usually occurs when the servers are down, so the first thing we want to check is that the servers are up. So just Google Fortnite servers and choose the one from Epic Games. Go to Fortnite and make sure everything is running. Now if everything is fine and you're still having the issue, you can go to Epic Games and Library, click on the three dots, go to Manage, Verify Files. Click on Verify and wait for it to verify, and that might solve your issue. Now if you don't see this option, it's probably because you have an update or something for Fortnite, so just take that one from down here. Now if this still doesn't work, another thing I suggest you do is you come here and you search for your Epic Games folder. So just search for Epic Games Launcher, right click, open file location, then right click again and open file location, and you should come to this right here. Then what you want to do is go back to Epic Games, find Fortnite, Fortnite game, binaries, Windows 64 or Windows 32, depends on which one you have. And then in here what you want to do is you want to find Fortnite Launcher as well as the Fortnite shipping.exe. You want to right click, Properties, Compatibility, and you want to activate these two. Apply and OK, and then do the same for this one. Compatibility, activate these two. Now after you've done that, try and launch and see if that works. Now if this still doesn't work, another thing you can try is come to your internet right here, search for View Network Connections. Then you want to make sure that you have internet here. Come in here, right click, Disable, and then right click, Enable. After you've done that, you can check if it works. And if it still doesn't work, the last thing that I suggest you do is you restart your PC as well as your router in your house. So just unplug it for a few seconds and then plug it back in while you're restarting your PC. This should completely reset your internet and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.